Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam dagasni. Kumshibenta nagajing prasyang jung ka sarkar bansnai ki madan yele kai ki bajanai hakisnong nong kendong. Umentri rang ba ka jila konrat ki sangma hagasni thoding ulabu ya umau nongrim bansnai ka madan artificial turf hamadan Riangdo West Khasi Hills District. Kani kamadan nila kay football har Riangdo kadai kamadan ba kongsan ba omtang ya ka Riangdo nrei wat ikithan ki ba marjan bakin pelong ya ki limpong yele kay ba pher ya kani ka project lamang ban pelut hado shipok lor tingka ban shna pen ba bat kentiu kerdan ya kani kamadan ya ka bala bu por ban pendep hapo ka khat prabnai ban kentiu ka sport hanong kendong bu mau nongrim UCM ya kamadan artificial turf ha West Khasi Hills kamadan nila kai football ka Riangdo kan deiru kamadan nila kai baningkong e ka West Khasi Hills ban shna da ka artificial turf.
All the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games will be felicitated by our Honorable Minister and myself. We will be giving cash awards to all the medal winners, and we will also be announcing other financial packages in terms of even giving scholarship and different kind of support to the medal winners in the Meghalaya Games. And this is being done to provide that financial support so that they can invest in their games, but also to give them the feeling and their families the feeling that by playing sports, it's not just about spending time playing some game, but actually they will see the real benefit coming out by them allowing their children to play these sports by the fact that once they get medals, they will be getting cash awards and even scholarships in different ways. And hence, this government is doing different policies to ensure that we are able to really push and really promote sports in a big way in the state and in the country as a whole. Friends, you will also be happy to know that with the investments that we are making in sports, especially with the leadership of our sports minister, very, very young, very, very dynamic, and a person who works with a lot of passion. And he is really concerned about our youth. Under his leadership, let me assure you that Meghalaya will have one of the largest and the maximum infrastructure compared to any other state in the northeast especially, and maybe even in the country. We will have one of the highest infrastructures for different sports in different parts of the state.
Our government has not even been 1 year now. But then under your dynamic leadership, we've been able to achieve so many things, whether in terms of sports, in terms of education, in terms of health, and so on. So I believe under your leadership, we can achieve more and we can achieve greater things for the betterment of the people of our state. Ya family badan burom jofi ba Methodist Dakar belong rukumun men jonga ya kaba nakapor sa kapor nakaliang kajong ngai sisa ba idon ya kata jingkit kle kumu emle
All the best. All the best. Good luck. Good luck. Ready?
Pagani ka jingwan ka jongpi kan ai jing kermen yani Kisun sa Imran ya phati ke